Hello, myself Sunil Ramkrishnan. Here basically we are talking about the currency topic, and this is connected to the previous video basically. So here basically we saw that basically uh, each and every incidents basically are connected with each and everything basically, and each and everything basically are deeply connected also. And we saw that basically also that each and every incidents basically are connected physically also, and each and every incidents basically are connected physically, that are converted into the energy also basically. And that which is one example we have taken, that if land basically gets vegetable 100 times or 200 times, that after a certain time basically the vegetable converts to the cancer disease. But in software industry basically, is there any this type of concept is there basically, that basically need to check basically. So that basically connects to the currency only basically, that's only we need to convert currency only basically, and that is very dangerous. So for that basically one person asked the question basically how the land is created, and how basically the chemical basically each and every things basically are created. Then he told that basically first the chemical basically is created from the 6 crore blood cells only here basically, and that is connected with the universe basically. And the earth planet basically is assume connected with around 35 crore planets basically. Just taking as an example, in real number basically it might be 35,000 crore. So here basically we are just taking as a number basically. Same way basically the Mumbai land is created from 3,000, sorry, 3 lakh 5, 3 lakh 50,000 planets. Mumbai land basically, when there was no basically land basically in Mumbai, only water was there. That time basically when lava blast happened, and 3 lakh 50,000 planets basically helped in creation of Mumbai basically. Same way basically Earth planet also basically took around 35 crore basically, sorry, 30 assume 35 crore only basically, we will not take too much. 35 crore basically planets took to create the Mumbai, sorry, Earth planet. And in Earth planet basically vegetables basically are created. So one person told that basically, is Earth planet connected to that much land only basically, or if we will have the vegetables in entire land, then also basically it's going to convert chemical only. Then he told that basically entire land basically it's not possible basically, because each and every land basically are different. Total is 35,000, 3,500 crore, 35 crore basically, and this much land basically might be some 3 crore, 4 crore. So that combination basically connects to 300 time vegetable, and after 300 time basically it converts to cancer basically, converts to cancer basically. So reason basically might be that combination basically, when the combination basically of the earth planet created, that time the combination basically was might be getting problems. So assume that that much area basically is created from 3 crore planets. So when the vegetable is basically getting created, that time the 3 crore planet basically automatically gets touch with that particular land, automatically gets connect with that land basically. That is the very dangerous thing. So that time basically something might be happening basically, that, or basically it might possible that 3,500 sorry 3 crore 50 assume that 3 crore it's 3 crore planets basically are connected with that land. 3 crore land basically directly can't connect to the that particular land, right? Satellites basically are there in between. So satellite basically are passing the combinations. 3 crore basically they will never pass. they will pass certain basically data. It might possible that combination basically which data basically they are passing, there might be some basically restriction, basically they might have done some restriction, might be possible basically, or basically might be some another reason basically. This only basically might be the reason, there is no other reason basically. And directly basically the earth planet basically can't direct give the data to the this particular land, vegetable land basically. It attracts, but directly basically doesn't attracts. Attraction between basically satellite groups are basically there, and that is created by earth planet human. They basically told that basically it's 300 times or 350 times. So that basically might be some another story basically. Now basically the another thing is that is the software basically. From software basically the chemical basically got created. So in software basically by default which type of data basically it's coming. That is, for example, one person told that from A positive blood groups vegetable basically can be created. So A positive blood group means how basically they decided this person basically, that is through when basically that person basically was child, that time basically the on born time only basically they done some injection and then basically the blood group basically was created as a positive blood group. So they basically have done something basically in the injections basically that he will basically be converted into A positive blood group. So like this basically A positive blood group basically given to him, and his body basically contains 6 crore blood cells. 6 crore blood cells he contains, right? So 6 crore combination blood cells basically are there. From this combination basically, which combination basically blood cells are being used for vegetable creation, that basically is dumped by that, as in that CRM software is there, they are basically into the creation of vegetable softwares, vegetable basically from the software basically. So CRM software basically told that basically we can basically do one thing basically, we can take these all combinations for the vegetable creation. This all combination for the vegetable creation. Same way basically the satellite group says that basically this combination can be used for this time vegetable creation. This time basically vegetable getting create, for this time basically the vegetable creation, satellite group basically are telling that we are passing this combination to this land. Same way basically the software industry basically is telling that this combination basically we can use for the vegetable creation for the software company, that is CRM, for the software company's name is this, and the energy basically it's going to generate is of a vegetable creation. Of a vegetable creation. So one person asked the question basically. Asked the question basically, from blood cells basically vegetables can be created. Then he told that basically yes, basically why not basically? Why not basically it can't be created? Few blood cells basically are created by human only, na basically. For example, Vadodara city blood cells is created by whom basically? That is created by human only basically. That is created by human, na basically. Then he told that yes, basically. Yeah. So in next video we are going to see a little bit more about the vegetables creation, which is connecting to the currencies. This is also basically one of the incidents which is actually created by this within this 3 lakh basically.